So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter your first futures trade, both on Mex Exchange and on Bybit. So let's do the Bybit first. So if you have your Bybit app, you want to open it. When you open it, the first step, number one step you want to take is to go to market. When you come to market, you come over to derivative. See where that brush is pointing, that's derivative. So you click on it. There is a yellow underline that will come up. That means you're in derivative. You have favorite, you have hot, you have new, you have gainers. But that's not what we are looking at. You come up to this search bar where the brush is. You click on it. Once you click on it, you type in the coin you want. Let's say you want to trade SUI or any other coin. Let's say BCH, Bitcoin Cash. You type in BCH, BCH will come out. You see BCH USDT, see BCH USD, you see a lot of them. Then you now see BCH USDT. Under it you see BCH perpetual. That's the one you click on. That is the futures you click on. So when you click on it, you go to long, click on it, and it will bring you down to this page. This is the futures page where you will always take your futures trading. Remember, in the futures trading, you have your long, you have your short, because either of which way you choose to trade, you're going to make profit or losses depending on what your analysis say. Okay, you have the base crypto and you have the one that you'll be using to buy the base. The base crypto here is BCH, which means you're going to use your USDT to buy your BCH. I hope you get. So down here, so you have your cross margin. This is the cross margin here. When you click on it, you have cross, you have isolated. We're going to stick with these two first. So what it means is that when you are on isolated, what it means is that let's say you have $100 you want to trade with in your trading account, and inside that $100 you only want to raise $10. That means if you're on isolated margin, it means that when your trade goes south, like when the trade goes against you, it means what you're going to be losing if you do not set take profit is going to be that $10. But in the cross margin, when you enter a trade, it means that you're using all that $100 to enter the trade. Even though you enter the trade, let's say with $10, it means it is open for the crypto to keep, being in the market, for you to still be in the market even when the thing is against you. So let's say you're already in $10 loss, which is the money you use in entering the trade, but you're still in the trade, you've not been liquidated because you use cross, which means when you got to that $10 that everything was gone, the $10 you actually using entering the market was gone. You started your money that is left, that's the $90 that is left in your wallet, started keeping you in the market. So they'll be deducting the losses from that $90 that is left. I hope you get. That's the difference between cross margin and isolated. As a beginner, you want to stick to isolated margin because this market is very volatile, and within a twinkle of an eye anything can happen. Your account can just be liquidated if you're not fast enough and if you do not set take profit. Okay, so always set your take profit and stop loss as a beginner. Now you have your leverage. This is where a lot of people get burned. You see this leverage, this is where you will know if you're a greedy person. One thing trading will teach you is whether you're greedy or not, and this is where it will really show. So you have 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 15x, 50x. In some other platform, you have even up to 200x, like Mex Exchange, you have up to 200x, but we'll still get into that. So if you're trading with $10, your $10, depending on the leverage you're using, you can say you want to use 5x. So 10 times 5 is 25. 10 times 10 is 50. I'm sorry, 100. Okay, so 10 times 5 is 50. Sorry, 10 times 5 is 50. So you'll be trading or entering that trade with $50 as against your $10. I don't know if you're getting. If there's any question, do let me know in the comment section. So if you're using 5x, what it means is that any trade you're going to be entering will give you that your money multiply by 5. That is what it will be getting. So if you're trading with $1, it's 1 times 5, which is 5. Okay. Or one time, if you're trading with $10, 10 times 5, which is what? 50. That's what you'll be trading with. All right. So that's the leverage we're talking about here. That's the leverage here. This is the margin, the isolation margin. Then you come down to here, which is available. This available will show you the money that is available in your trading, your unified trading account. What the unified trading account does is that it keeps money that you use for both your futures trading and your spot trading. Okay. If you don't have money in your unified trading account, you just go to your funding and send it in. If you don't have money in your funding, you go to P2P, buy your USDT and send it to your wallet, and it will be there waiting for you so you can start. Now you come to market. You come to market, under market, you click on it. When you click on market, you see limit order. As a beginner, learn to use this limit order because it will help you a lot. So we're going to be focusing on limit and market. What limit means is that, okay, this coin right now is at $408.90. So you're saying that if the coin drops down to $404.50, you want to buy. So you set it here. Okay, you set the amount you want here. You set the amount you want here and it will show there. But when it is market, it means you're entering immediately. You're entering at the current market price, which is $409.10. That's what it's going to buy for you immediately. So you're already in the market. I hope you understand what I am saying. All right. So here, sorry, this is where you have the percentage you want to use. So if you're using $100, you can make it, you can use this place. You can just be dragging it to give you, you see there, you see 10%. Is it 10% of your portfolio you want to use? 20%, 25, like that until you get to 100. Never use 100 anyways. All right, so that's what we have there. Then down here, you have your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, so if you're entering a trade, you want to click on it and set your take profit and your stop loss. All right. So where your take profit is going to be where if you're entering a long trade, it means that you're going to set your take profit above your entry level. And then if it is a short trade, you're going to take your take profit below your entry level. I hope you understand me. And then when you want to set your stop loss is definitely going to be an amount you can stomach to lose. Is it 1% of your income of your fund or 2% of 10%, whatever the percent is, it has to be something you can stomach. I hope you get. It's as simple as that. And then when you're done, you set everything, you come and